What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock. This week, I want to deep dive on emerging market. Emerging market started to reverse years of underperformance relative to developed market the last 18 months or so, helped by a weaker dollar and also broadly stable global growth. Since the beginning of the Middle East conflict, emerging market actually underperformed against a rising dollar. The Strait of Hormuz transports a fifth of the world's oil and liquefied natural gas, and its supply disruption is driving emerging market dispersion even further. So regions like Asia and India, for example, are more impacted because they are reliant on the Strait of Hormuz for energy import, whereas countries in Latin America, for example, many commodity exporters themselves are hardly exposed at all. And further driving emerging market differentiation are mega forces such as where these emerging market countries are in the global AI ecosystem and also in the energy transition. We favor dollar emerging market debt for three reasons. Number one, increasingly higher quality income. Hard currency high yielders have been driving a lot of the recent credit upgrades. Number two, lower duration. The duration of the JP Morgan dollar emerging market debt index is currently close to the lowest in 2 decades, making it less sensitive to interest rate swings. Number three, greater exposure to commodity exporting countries in Latin America in this supercharged world shaped by supply constraints. We are selective in emerging market equities. So for example, we favor renewable energies and AI and automation names in China. But given involution, pricing, competition, this is a very active story. I would also note that stretch positions in popular South Korea memory chip names have washed out quite a bit this past month, making it a bit more attractive. And also critical mineral exporters in Chile, in Peru look well positioned from AI demand and also the energy transition. For details, read our market commentary on a weekly basis. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This content is for informational purposes only and is not an offer or a solicitation. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. In the UK and non-European Economic Area countries, this is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. In the European Economic Area, this is authorised and regulated by the Netherlands Authority for the Financial Markets. Reference to the names of each company mentioned in this communication is merely for explaining the investment strategy and should not be construed as investment advice or investment recommendation of those companies. For full disclosures, go to blackrock.com/corporate/compliance/bid-disclosures.